Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy poached egg in just 1 minute in the microwave. First, crack an egg into a cup of cold water. Then, put the egg in a microwave-safe container with water. Microwave the container in a high-powered microwave for 1 minute. Be careful not to overcook the egg, as it can become dry and rubbery. Once the egg is cooked, remove it from the microwave and let it sit for a few seconds. Then, serve on toast or bread, salt and pepper to taste. This simple and quick microwave poached egg recipe is perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast or snack. So easy, so tasty, and so satisfying. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go make some more eggs. Bye.